Many people like to eat dace with black bean sauce, and it turns out to be delicious when fried with corn kernels. I tried this recipe immediately once I found this recipe, and it turned out to be delicious. The dace with black bean sauce is delicious and paired with corn kernels, which is tender, refreshing, and full of sweetness. It tastes great, and my family loves it too. If you are like me and have never tasted such a combination, then you really have to try it to know how delicious it is. Follow my channel and save this recipe now, so you can refer back this recipe anytime you want. Let's stir-fry corn kernel together. Fried dace black bean. Corn kernels. Pour fried dace into bowl and scramble it with spoon. Pour black beans into another bowl and set aside. Stir-fry fried dace and black beans until fragrant. Add corn kernel. Optional to season with sugar and salt. Black beans already has a salty taste, so you can omit it. Adding sugar will make it taste better. If you don't like the slightly sweet taste, then just omit it. Stir-fry corn kernel with fried dace black beans is done. Plate it and ready to eat. This recipe is so easy. Give it a try. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. YouTube, I share delicious recipe every day. There are more than 1,000 recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. Fried dace prepared with fermented black soybeans is a tasty, salty canned seafood enjoyed in Asia for many decades and available in Asian supermarkets worldwide. Fried dace with salted black beans can be eaten cold straight out of the can or heated before being served. Other classic ways are eating with stir-fried green vegetables, noodles, or plain white rice. Duqi is a Chinese fermented black bean product used widely in Chinese dishes. Duqi is a solid fermented soya bean product consisting of individual black beans. These are used in soups, sauces, etc. as a savory ingredient. Duqi are soybeans that have been inoculated with a mold, salted, and then left to wrinkle and cure. In the 70s, archaeologists found duqi sealed inside a Chinese tomb from 165 BCE, making the condiment the oldest known soy product in the world. Today, it's a timeless addition to Pan-Asian dishes. kernels are sweet and tender seeds that can be used in a variety of dishes, whether you enjoy them fresh off the cob, steamed, grilled, or sautéed. Corn kernels bring a delightful burst of flavor to salads, salsas, stir-fries, chowders, and more. It consists primarily of insoluble fiber, which makes it a low glycemic index food. This means it is a food that is digested slowly and doesn't cause an unhealthy spike in blood sugar. It also contains many B vitamins, as well as essential minerals, including zinc, magnesium, copper, iron, and manganese. Corn is rich in fiber and plant compounds that may aid digestive and eye health. Yet, its high in starch can spike blood sugar and may prevent weight loss when consumed in excess. The safety of genetically modified corn may also be a concern. Still, in moderation, corn can be part of a healthy diet. Sweet corn is popular for its milky sweet taste, both on the cob and as kernels. Whole corn can be thrown on the barbecue, wrapped in foil or in their own husks, with a knob of butter and a cracking of fresh black pepper, or kernels can be added to a salad. There are more delicious corn recipes in my channel. Do check them out. Next video, ya.